In this short tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram black background problem. First thing guys, open the settings, go to apps, open the apps manager. Now on this page you will find the apps that you have downloaded on your phone. So you have to scroll and you'll find the Instagram and click on it. After you click on Instagram, now on this page you have to click on this force stop option to stop the app from running, and after that you have to go into the permissions and make sure that all the permissions right here are enabled. Now go down into the storage, click on clear data, clear cache, go back again. Now you have to open the data usage option right here as you can see, and make sure that to disable the roaming data like this and turn on all the three options here in the top. Don't forget to like, subscribe.